At this juncture, I want to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Administrator, Rivers State, for making this possible. This is a first of its kind. Please, can we clap for the Administrator? Nothing like this has happened in the history of the public service in Rivers State. So we express our deep appreciation to you, sir. And like Oliver Twist will say, we hope for more of this to happen. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank the facilitators from NIPSS, from ASCON, and from Civility Institute. The way we rushed you, the way we harassed you, and you came, you delivered, you changed our mindsets. We are indeed grateful to you. Thank you so much. And to the participants, of which I'm one, I appreciate all of you for, in some gatherings, when you say closing ceremony, half of the group have left. But you are all here complete. So can you please clap for yourselves for being here? We appreciate ourselves. And as we go back, I pray that we'll put what we have learned into practice, that our colleagues we left behind, when they see us, they'll know that indeed the 4 days were not wasted. They were investments that yielded fruit. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Over the past few days, I've received encouraging feedback about your conduct, punctuality, engagement, and high levels of professionalism demonstrated throughout the sessions. You have shown not only a willingness to learn, but also a sincere readiness to lead, and I commend each of you for your dedication. This training was not initiated as a precautionary exercise. It was born out of a deliberate vision to equip all our senior public servants with the insights, tools, and mindset needed to navigate the evolving demands of governance in our time. Leadership today demands more than technical competence. It demands empathy, adaptability, ethical strength, and an unflinching dedication to the public good. I am confident that this engagement has been worth the time. But beyond that, I trust that the lessons learned will be put into practice in your respective offices and across the bureaucratic architecture of our state. Am I right? Yes. Let me reiterate that this is only the beginning. Under the administration, training and retooling will become embedded in the culture of our civil and public service. This is not a one-off training. It is the first of several waves of targeted interventions aimed at raising the standard and impact of governance in Rivers State. I am aware that not all who should have been part of these training sessions could be accommodated. I wish to assure you that arrangements are already in motion to convene subsequent sessions that will include more directors, deputy directors, assistant directors, and other cadre of personnel who were not part of this cohort. Every member of our civil service matters. No one will be left behind. As we focus on personal growth and institutional reform, we must also reckon with the environment within which our people serve. During a recent inspection of the State Secretariat, I deliberately took the long walk, floor by floor, to see firsthand the conditions under which our officers work. From erratic power supply, non-functional elevators, unsanitary conditions, to the lack of work tools. It was a sobering experience. It is clear that we cannot demand excellence from our workforce while neglecting the very basics. To this end, I'm pleased to inform you that we are working towards the phased rehabilitation of the State Secretariat. And other public infrastructure critical to the effective service delivery. God willing, I will ensure that your work environment reflects the respect and dignity your service deserves. We are also reviewing other aspects of service welfare necessary to be addressed. While resources are finite, we are determined to make feasible improvements that will support your welfare and create a healthier work culture, one that motivates rather than frustrates. To our local government council administrators, specifically, and leadership teams, I hope that you have acquired some skills that will help you better respond to the needs of the teeming population at the grassroots level. To deliver the greatest impact, a careful needs assessment, planning, budgeting, and deliberate effort at monitoring and evaluation are essential. I therefore charge you all to go back to your various local governments areas and draw up strategic plans for targeted high-impact projects and initiatives that are based on the specific needs of the communities you serve, and send to me within 2 weeks from today. For consideration and approval. Furthermore, the Auditor General, local governments will be fully empowered to monitor closely the application of the resources that are being remitted to various local government councils. The people of Rivers State must get value for every kobo provided. My dear colleagues, public service is not a job, it is a calling. It demands discipline, integrity, and vision. And while today's challenges may be daunting, we must always keep our eyes on the future we hope to shape. Let us serve, not for applause, but for legacy. Let us act not just for today's convenience, but for tomorrow's prosperity. You all have my full support and my deep respect. Let the knowledge gained here inspire not simply better decisions, but better outcomes for the people of Rivers State. At this point, let me extend my sincere appreciation to the esteemed institutions from which our facilitators were drawn, that is from the National Institute for Public Policy and Strategic Studies, the Administrative Staff College of Nigeria, and the Civility Institute. Their contributions have brought depth perspective, and clarity to this training. Thank you for your partnership in strengthening public leadership in Rivers State. I must also place on record my gratitude to the leadership of the Rivers State Civil Service, particularly the Office of the Head of Service. For their excellent coordination and execution of this training. Their quiet but meticulous work ensured that everything ran smoothly from planning through delivery. This success is a testament to the kind of professionalism we seek to institutionalize across the service. Thank you all for your commitment, your sacrifice, and your unwavering professionalism. May God bless you all. May God bless Rivers State, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you.
Promise.